Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply RainX on your windshield. Now RainX is an amazing product that anytime it rains and you're driving, you practically don't even need to use your wipers. So here we've got some RainX. This is 2-in-1 glass cleaner and rain repellent. So don't worry if your windshield isn't perfectly clean, because this will also kind of clean it and get any of those bug guts off or whatever's on there. But you want it fairly clean. So go to the gas station and clean it off with the squeegees, take it through the car wash, whatever you got to do to make sure that windshield is pretty clean before you apply this. If you take a look here, they've got a little picture and it says treated versus untreated. So you can see the difference, and that is exactly what it looks like when you're driving with RainX. Now, to use this spray stuff, it's really simple. It's much easier than the bottle of liquid that people used to use or that we used to have. They still make it, but this spray is awesome, so there'll be a link to this in the description below. Simply spray it on. You want to make sure that it's not a super hot day, or if it is, you do it in the evening or somewhere a little cooler, because when you spray this on, you do not want it to evaporate right away. Now, use a nice cloth. An old dish towel is really great, or also some t-shirt fabric. If you've got a sleeveless t-shirt and you cut the sleeves off, use those sleeves for this. Now, it's real easy. It's not like the other stuff where you got to rub it in like a maniac. Just spray it on and rub it in just like this, and let it dry. Then you're going to go over it with a microfiber towel or even another cloth, something that isn't going to leave behind a lot of pieces. So we got that side. Now we'll go and do this other side here. And you can see how nice it looks. It really kind of shines up the windows. One thing about RainX, you can do this on your front window here on the windshield. You can also do them on all the side windows, and I recommend it, especially those sides and those back windows, because it will help all the rain to repel off of each of those windows. So once you have that, let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll come back and hit it with a microfiber cloth. All right, so I've got a microfiber cloth here, detailing cloth. Throw a link to this in the description below. Basically, it's just a 3M perfect detailing cloth. It sticks to your fingers, microfiber. We're gonna take this and just go back and forth and up and down, and you can see how it's smearing here. This is because there's still a film on top of the glass here. So what we want to do is rub this until all that smearing is gone. So it is a little bit of work, but it's not as bad as that other stuff that's not in the spray bottle, the regular liquid. That stuff you really, really need to rub. But this, as you can see, in a matter of about 20 seconds here, it's pretty well rubbed off. There's not much over there. Not much here anymore. It's pretty much good. So we'll just kind of continue working our way toward the other side of the windshield. Go around to the other side. And even if you can't see this in the camera, there is a film that's being rubbed off. You'll see it when you do it in real application. You can see right here, it's a little squeaky, whereas right here, it's a lot harder to move my finger because there's no liquid or no film on top of the glass. So get all that rubbed off, and you will have a wonderful windshield the next time it rains. That water is going to bead and run right off the top of your windshield. You might not even need your wipers. It's so amazing. See here, we got a little spot right here. We'll just kind of finish that off. Get that rubbed out of there. And there we go. Let the air hit it. Get all that rubbed out. And that is it. That is how to apply RainX spray bottle. So you can see the before, treated, untreated. That's what your windshield is going to look like. Again, links to all this stuff in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Subscribe to this channel for more videos as well.